Before printing, view your paper cut print account balance. Double-click on the green P icon on the dock to launch paper cut. A window will pop up showing your account balance. If your balance is at $0, then see a technician in MACLab room 335 to purchase more printing credits. For this video demonstration, the halftones will be placed onto an 11 by 17 InDesign page. InDesign will be used for printing the images. Images for film positives must be set as black and white, but in RGB mode in Photoshop. See video, MACLab How to create halftones for dry film 2025, on the School of Art's YouTube channel. Printing the vellum this way forces the Ricoh printer to create a built black which will produce the correct ink density for a film positive. Step 1. Under the File menu, select Print. Click on the Setup tab and select Tabloid, 11 by 17 for the paper size. In this demonstration printing vellum on 11 by 17 paper, there is no need for crop marks. Under Page Position, check Centered. Step 2. Click on the Printer button. Scroll down to Printer Options and click on the arrow. Scroll down to Fiery Features, click on the eye. Click on Full Properties. Click on the Presets drop-down. Presets are descriptive. For vellum, select the preset, 4C, 11 by 17, one-sided, vellum. This means printing full color, on 11 by 17, vellum paper, printed on one side. And select, 4C, 11 by 17, one-sided, vellum. Click OK. Click OK again. Click Print. Click Print again. When the printer box pops up, enter your password. The password is the same password as your login password. After sending the file to the printer, then load the vellum into the bypass tray as shown in the next video clip.